The universe is full of mysteries. Every so often, something enters our solar system that doesn't quite belong here. Not from the sun, not from any known orbit, but from the vast space between stars. Recently, an interstellar object known as 3I Atlas made its journey through our cosmic neighborhood, capturing the attention of astronomers around the world. For a brief moment, it became one of the most intriguing visitors we've ever observed. Some speculated whether it could be something artificial, perhaps even a probe from another civilization. But scientists quickly clarified its true nature. 3I Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system, following Oumuamua and comet Borisov. But even among these rare visitors, this one stood out. Unlike typical asteroids, it displayed clear comet-like activity. A glowing coma formed around it as it approached the sun, revealing that it was releasing gas and dust into space. Its trajectory was also unmistakable. Moving along a hyperbolic path at extremely high speeds, it was never bound to the sun's gravity. It came from interstellar space, and it will return there, never to be seen again. As it passed through the inner solar system, astronomers rushed to study it using some of the most powerful instruments on Earth. And what they found was unexpected. Observations from the ALMA telescope in Chile revealed that the comet's coma contained unusually high amounts of methanol. Methanol is a simple form of alcohol. It's commonly found in comets, including those in our own solar system. But in this case, the concentration was far higher than expected, up to 4 times the typical levels seen in ordinary comets. This wasn't just a minor detail, it was a chemical clue. Alongside methanol, astronomers also detected other compounds such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen-bearing molecules, and traces of metals like iron. Together, these findings suggest that 3I Atlas formed in an environment very different from our own solar system, possibly colder, possibly more exposed to radiation, or simply governed by a different chemical history. In other words, this comet carries a record of a distant star system. There was another interesting aspect of its behavior. Researchers believe that 3I Atlas may belong to a class known as hyperactive comets. These are objects that release more gas and water vapor than their surface alone can explain. Instead of all the material coming directly from the nucleus, some of it originates from tiny, icy grains that are lifted off the surface and float within the coma. As these grains drift through space, they heat up and sublimate, releasing additional gas. In the case of 3I Atlas, scientists propose that methanol, water, and carbon dioxide were being released both from the comet's core and from these suspended icy particles. This could explain the unusually high levels of methanol detected. It also reinforces the idea that this is a natural object, formed in extreme conditions but entirely consistent with known cometary physics. Today, 3I Atlas is already on its way out of the solar system. Traveling at around 60 kilometers per second, it is heading back into interstellar space, carrying its chemical secrets with it. But even as it leaves, it has given scientists something valuable: a rare opportunity to study material from another star system without ever leaving our own. And this may just be the beginning. With new telescopes and more advanced sky surveys coming online in the near future, astronomers expect to detect many more interstellar visitors like this one. Each one will offer a new piece of the puzzle, not just about comets, but about how planets, molecules, and possibly even the building blocks of life form across the galaxy. Because sometimes, the most distant places don't need to be reached. They come to us. Thank you for watching. If you're fascinated by intriguing facts about the cosmos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.